Welcome back to Chi-Chi's Igbo services. In this video, I will be translating the secondary colors in Igbo, followed by the Igbo words of the day. I'll be doing the Igbo spelling as well as replacing the word color with its Igbo translation, Ocha. If you like this video, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. The first secondary Ocha that will be discussed is purple, also known as violet, a combination of red and blue. The most common Igbo translation is purple. Let us spell it. P O P O L O. Purple. Combine red and blue and you will get purple. Gwakọta ọbara na blue, iwete purple. Another translation for purple is ododo. Let's spell it. O D O D O. Ododo. The next secondary Ocha is orange. The most common Igbo translation is oroma. Let's spell it. O re o m a. Oroma. Add red and yellow and you will get orange. Gwakọta mmemme na edo iwete oroma. Another translation for orange is pawpaw pawpaw. This translated word is uncommon, but it's fun to say. So let's spell it. P O P O space P O P O. Pawpaw pawpaw. Pawpaw pawpaw. It rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? The next secondary Ocha is green. The most common Igbo translation for green is akwụkwọ. It literally means live book or living book in reference to the leaves of a tree, since trees have been historically used to make paper. Let's spell it. A kwe o kwe o space ne de o. Akwụkwọ. Combine blue and yellow and you will get green. Gwakọta amaloji na edo iwete akwụkwọ. Can also be translated as ndụ. Let's spell it. Ne de o space ne de o. Ndụ. And now, the Igbo words of the day. Pawpaw pawpaw. What does the Igbo word pawpaw pawpaw translate to? Can you spell it in Igbo language? I'll give you a few seconds. Very good. Good job. Now let's look at the other Igbo words of the day. Gwakọta or ikwakọta means combined or to combined. It can also mean add or plus, as well as to add. Iwete is Igbo phrase for you get or equals to. Time to test your Igbo skills. The secondary colors are on the left side and their multiple Igbo translations are on the right side. Can you connect the primary colors to their Igbo translations? Feel free to use your answers in the comments below. There is one hint though. One of the answer is a trick answer. In the next video, I will briefly discuss tertiary colors and explore the Igbo translations of other known colors. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.